Hello everyone, in this episode we're going to download the Intellij IDE for our coding environment. So first of all, go to the google.com and type Intellij IDE download and click on the first link of JetBrains. You will see this page. Click on the download the community version. It's a free and open source and it will get our job done. So no need to go for the ultimate one. So just click download and our download is started. So I'm going to pause this video until the download is finished. And here is our download. So double click on that, hit run and click next, click next and hit install. So it's a really large software and it might take time, so just have some patience. And here is our software. It took me around 2 or 3 minutes to get installed. Anyway, just click on this run option and hit finish. And at first you are going to see the screen like this. Now just click on this create a new project. And you need to choose Kotlin here and select the Kotlin JVM. Click next and give your project name. So let's give our project name as learning and hit finish. If you are using the Intellij for the first time, then it might take a little bit time. Once your load is complete, go to the learning folder and inside the src, here we are going to place all of our codes. Let's create one Kotlin file. Just right click on that and go to new and choose the Kotlin file class. And let's give the class name as hello world. Hit OK. And here we're going to write our first hello world program. For that, just write fun fun keyword and then main and open the bracket and open the curly brace from here. And inside here you need to write println, let's say hello world. So let's not focus about anything right now. Just click on this green button. And here is our output which says hello world. And this is our first hello world program in Kotlin. So see you in the next part.